Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install LibreOffice in 2026. If you want a free Office suite for creating documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more, this guide will help you get started quickly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official LibreOffice website. Download the latest version that matches your operating system, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and open it to begin the setup process. Next, if a security or permission prompt appears, click Yes or Allow to continue. This gives the installer permission to make changes to your device. Now follow the setup wizard instructions. For most users, the default installation settings work perfectly, so you can simply click Next through the setup screens. After that, click Install and wait for the installation process to finish. Depending on your computer, this may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to close the installer. You can now launch LibreOffice from your desktop, Start menu, or Applications folder. When LibreOffice opens, you'll see options for creating documents, spreadsheets, presentations, drawings, and other file types. Finally, create a test document to confirm everything is working correctly and familiarize yourself with the interface. And that's it. You've successfully installed LibreOffice and can now start using its tools for work, study, or personal projects. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.